Morning. So I'm currently waiting for the Sea King helicopter to take off from the hospital. Don't know if you can hear it now, but it's due to take off. You can hear it. Here we go. Wow, listen to that. There you go. Now that's the one Prince William was flying during his duty in RAF Valley on Anglesey. It's obviously taken off into the wind, so it's going that way, but it should come round. There you go. What a shot. Go on. So that now will go to Carnarvon Airport. Wow. There you go. So it's another lovely day. Nice and sunny. Blue skies. Planes in the sky. Yeah, where's he gone now there? He's off. The wind is still chilly. Currently coming from the north. As they say, the north wind shall blow and we shall have snow. But who knows, eh? It's pretty cold enough. But it's a lovely day. Lovely day. Yes, Chris, live free. Lovely day. Yeah. So, not doing much today. Sunday. Just gonna chill at home. Watch all the new uploads to the regulars on a Sunday. I don't post during the week, only on a Sunday. So I like to watch those. They start at about 11 o'clock. Then there's another one at 12 o'clock. Then more in the afternoon. That's it. Pee on everything. Go on, love. Pee on everything. Every 2 seconds. Got to pee on something. Wouldn't be him, would it? No, it wouldn't be him. Oh, well, it's nice here. No wind. Blocked by the hedge. And he's off. No. Hasn't seen someone coming yet, look. Someone coming over there. So no doubt he'll see them in a minute. Run over. Be a bloody nuisance. As always. Oh yeah. Ah. There you go. That way. Pot. This way. Here. Hey. That way. This way. Come on. This way. Hey. Stubborn teenager. Come on. Yeah. He's 4. So he's a teenager. Dog years. I got that right. Oh. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Let all you lovely people go and do what you need to do instead of me boring you. Yeah. I mean, I find watching YouTube better on the TV than watching it on my phone. I mean, come on. I'm sure everybody does. It's a lot better. Hell of a lot better. Right, so leave it there then. Let you gotta do what you want to do. I'll catch you all on the next one. Hopefully it'll be from a different location. That's what I'm planning. Not the same location all the time. So yeah, I'll catch you on that one. Like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget, press the bell. Catch you all later, guys.